Luxair furnace with an electronic air cleaner that don't work because we put this kind of air filter in it. So it's got a humidity control because there's a humidity thing in the back here, the other side, in the brown bathroom over yonder. As you can see, it's on right now. There we go. Switch is turned off. Turn back on. I don't want to remove the cover. It's too much of a fuss to put back on. But anyway, it's a Luxair. I think it's from the 70s because it's got this Sears humidity control with the things. Operation instructions. Valves. I don't want to mess with those. I'm not going to mess with anything. Pegboard. So yeah. And anybody has any more info on this dusty old furnace? Oh, excuse me, I just farted. Any more info on this Luxair furnace? You know what to do. So have a good day.